Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Emily. I'm a mom who loves home decor, thrifting, and a good DIY project. We are jumping in today with some home reno content. I'm so excited. We are tackling some work in our master bathroom, and then also we're gonna be heading outside to the backyard. It's gonna be good. I am so excited to get this vanity out of here. When we originally bought this house, we demoed everything except this bathroom. Now, right over here, I don't really feel like showing you. We turned this bath into storage, and we're very excited because the vanity is going to be happening. So we need to demo this, and this light situation will also need fixed, but this is just one step closer. We already have a new toilet in here. We already have new floors in here. Got it out. Ew. This is how everything in the house looked when we demoed. Just these nasty webs of black. Honestly, really disgusting. It's all gone. Look at that. Empty. Obviously, we need to clean. Next, we're gonna head to Givingtreehome.com. Thank you, Givingtreehome, for partnering with me on today's video because we are going to be looking at their bathroom vanities. I was really excited when I hopped on their website. You can kind of see we have like this very specific size that we need without having to really create a built-in. We wanted something that fit perfectly and seamlessly. And let me tell you guys, they have 48-inch vanities, and our spot between these two walls was 49 inches, and I was thrilled. So let's take a look at their 48-inch vanities. They have a lot of options. I really actually loved some of their floating vanities because I loved that there was some darker tone woods and the gorgeous tops that they had. Then I came across this one, and honestly, I was like, we desperately need storage in this house. I love the natural wood tone, the beautiful white top. I felt like it was classic. You really couldn't go wrong, and honestly, the storage sold us. If you guys don't know Givingtreehome, they're a brand that focuses on kitchen and bathroom home renovation projects, which is like honestly perfect and exactly what we're needing right now. They have US warehouses, so shipping was so fast. We were blown away. Had such great communication with them. They really have that customer support that you're looking for if you have any questions. And also check them out at Givingtree Bath, and make sure you head to their website, givingtreehomes.com. I will of course have everything linked down below in the description box for you to check them out. Our new bathroom vanity is all built, but it is so pretty. So we are currently just working on the bathroom still. Let me show you. So my husband just sanded down all the patches this morning. I am about to go and vacuum everything up. Then, would you guys believe this? This little bit of wall here smells so strong. Like, this part is making this bathroom smell like smoke. We do need to go, unfortunately, in with Kills first. That's the special paint, and it's just so strong. So I don't love using it. Want to do sconces. So he has to do all the electrical moving to get to sconces. Got the sconces set for where they'll go. Stefan has the joy of moving where the plumbing is because essentially where this comes out in the vanity is not going to work. So like everything has to get moved over. Look how much progress has been made. patched. This still does need sanded. The light holes are in. And then this was such a big thing. Stefan had to rerun the pipe. It like came out here, but we needed it to go here. We just moved those little red and blue wires were like here. Pipes. They need to go here. Just that little bit, but it makes a difference for the configuration of the vanity. So what's really left is that we need to kind of lift up some of the flooring and lay the floor all the way. We need to sand all the patches and then we can paint. We are getting this crushed rock delivered. This is the beginning stage of the patio. I'm very excited. This isn't the final rock, but you need this as like a layer underneath. I was just out with a friend and Stefan got this bathroom wrapped up. It's to the point that we're gonna actually put the vanity in to see if it fits. It's gonna fit. Look at that. He did the floors, all the piping and water stuff is all like good. So basically, oh wait, did you sand, babe?
Yep.
He even sanded. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's obviously not all the way in, but look, it's so pretty. What an upgrade compared to what it was. I used one coat of Kills. I really only like got the main spots that we needed to, because I just, you know, the Kills, that's the paint that cuts out that smell. It wasn't like a great priming job, but it did the job, and it is quite chemically in here. It's the next day. Drying, and we're gonna be ready for next steps right away. And I wanted to show you guys the cute sconces that I got for the bathroom. So let's see, the little plate at the back. Aren't these sweet? I didn't want anything really big. Like some sconces are really big. And this one's like 10 inches, I think, which is pretty small if you start looking around for sconces. So I wanted something petite. I don't know why I like petite lights. I always get comments that my lights next to my bedside are too small, and I'm like, I like small lights, guys. I got this nice big mirror, and we are going to be hanging it up. There are the lights. They're installed. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to show you the full finished reveal. I want to jump outside for a little bit, and we'll go back to the bathroom, but we are starting on our backyard renovation, which will be a long journey. This is how our backyard is currently looking. We have already done a little bit to it, but this is where it's at right now. Moving the shed. This is actually going to get fully disassembled. It was something we made for our other house, and we had the little townhouse. This one has to be moved because this is obviously where patio is going to be. Have the exact amount of landscape fabric. That's the end of it, and that was the last piece we needed. There it is, you guys. This is still just phase one. We have all this stuff, and is gonna like level this out. You guys can see kind of better now how much this was dipped lower here, so that obviously we'll have to grow grass over that again, and we'll use some of this whole little area dips down into this like drainage spot. So we just want to like not have a river when it rains. And same thing, there's a low spot back here that we're filling in. So yeah, but I'm super stoked. This is gonna be like an epic patio. I know we're jumping a little back and forth in this video, but we're back at the bathroom now and it is done and it's so good. Do you guys remember how it looked when we started? And here it is now. Before we sign off, I want to show you guys an update, just how everything's looking. Nothing's really changed, but it's a little bit sunnier today for you to get a better feel for how the yard's looking. So we seeded and put hay down for grass to grow. So now there was quite a divot here. Hopefully this all grows in as the birdies. This is why you have to put hay down, because the birds will eat the grass seed. You guys see that? Love that for us. This should, bless this grass, this should just grow in with lush grass and it'll just be seamless back here. Just really nice, you know, yard playing area. Now over here, yes, everything's a hot mess, guys. So I keep reminding myself that it's gonna look a lot worse before it looks better, and that is very true right now in our backyard. My husband was just marking out, there's a couple low spots that we have extra crush and run, I believe is what it's called. And so we're gonna fill in a little bit of these low spots that we need to, but we priced out pavers. We have been going through it the last couple days. We decided, we were like, let's make this size. This is how big we want it. And we didn't price anything out. I feel like that's a classic rookie mistake. We just went with what we wanted. Anyways, we priced out pavers and it's so expensive, guys. Like $3,000 for pavers. Even the cheapest ones we were around like $2,700, and yeah, we didn't think that through. So we decided we're gonna go with pea gravel. My husband isn't the biggest fan of pea gravel. I actually love pea gravel. I think we're actually gonna go with river rock, which is a little bit bigger than pea gravel, which is nice because it won't like get in your shoe as much. It won't just like travel to the grass as much. We're gonna do some sort of border like this, and it'll be nice and look, you know, professionally done, but I just laid these down here. So we'll have a border, and then imagine if this was really nice pea gravel and not this dirty looking crush and run. So it'll like be framed out, and I think it'll look really good. This is just extra landscape fabric, but I actually want to, I want to have like a curve to it to like soften the lines, and I think it'll be really beautiful. So that's the plan for here. Over here, hot mess. I'm not sure the plan for that. It might look like a hot mess for a while. Obviously, like this is just, it's so bad right now, but this is how it works, guys. It looks a lot worse before it's gonna look better. My husband's gonna build a beautiful, great shed for us since we have no garage, minimal storage. He's in construction. He has so mmany tools. This one is literally falling apart. It's bad. We do have stuff in it. Like it's full of stuff. So it's not like we're not using it, but we've just got so much stuff like that. That's gonna get dealt with later. Back here, the trampoline will get moved too, but this hot mess corner also was low, which is why there's a bunch of dirt, and we didn't seed over here because this corner gets sun almost all day long. This is where our garden is gonna go. So I'm very excited. We're gonna make a garden. We're gonna do basically 4 10-foot or roughly 10-foot garden beds, 2 of them. I am going to plant a flower garden for the first time ever. I'm so excited. I could talk all about it, but I won't because I'll just go off. So we're gonna do 2 big flower beds, and then my husband's gonna do some gardening. I decided to be in charge of flowers. He can plant some garden stuff, but we're gonna do it kind of like a triangle. So the corner triangle, and the garden beds are kind of gonna be like here and there and there and there. Little like step stones. It's gonna be cute. Obviously, I know, guys, this fence, it needs to be replaced. It's so bad. That is like a future project. It's functioning right now. I know it doesn't look great. That is everything for today's kind of home renovation updates. I'm so thrilled about our master bathroom. We still have a ways to go. Baseboards, obviously, they're not fully finished. We need to paint them and kind of like fully set them in place. But the vanity from Givingtreehomes.com is so good. I feel like I'm in like a luxurious hotel or something. It feels so special. I know I promised you guys a home tour and it actually is coming next. I wanted to film it, but then I'm like, we're right in the middle of this bathroom and I felt like it would kind of spoil the bathroom progress. So I was like, I'll just put this video out and then I can do the tour feeling like you guys have already seen this fun renovation part. So the tour is coming very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. As always, you can subscribe for more of my everyday life. Follow me on Instagram at emilyfaith.home. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.